like same as Elijah. And my dad is Canadian. So I lived in Canada my whole life. But I've seen my mom and my father, they work so hard in their jobs and they never have financial freedom. So I really wanted to create an opportunity where I can take care of my family, be able to travel the world, be my own boss, and be able to make money from my phone. So I started looking for other opportunities in the world, and thank God I was introduced to this industry by a very good friend of mine. And that was the first time I started online business. And I did one company for 9 years. We did millions of dollars in sales. We have a lot of success. We traveled the world, met a lot of amazing people. But in 2020, in the pandemic, everything changed, right? I saw in the pandemic millions of people lose their job. I saw a lot of businesses shut down and everything moved online to digital. So I said, the world is changing right now. I must change as well. So I really started looking for something that was a digital platform. And again, one of my friends who is very successful, he's made over 10 million US dollars in this industry. He shared this opportunity with me. So me and my partners, we actually got a chance to join this company. It's all about forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, AI, artificial intelligence trading, and passive income with affiliate marketing. And I flew all the way from Canada to Dubai to meet the owners of this company and owners of this project. And it was so exciting. And I will share you guys everything how it works. But I want you guys to know you are in the right place at the right time for the beginning launch of Japan market. You see, we are so focused in impacting the lives of 1 million people in Asia over the next 2 or 3 years. Starting with Japan and starting with Philippines, we are going to launch this so big into the Asian markets, and we're going to have a lot of success stories soon. Now, the best part is that we're not selling products. We're not selling physical products. This is not about, health and wellness. This is not about vitamins. This is not about insurance. This is about trading in the largest financial markets of the world. Like I said, forex, crypto, all that stuff. This is a chance for you guys to position yourself at the biggest movement that you guys will see over the next 5 to 10 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my slide and I'm going to show you guys how everything works today. And I know that I'm speaking in English. Soon we will have Japanese translation presentation or, Filipino translation presentation. But for right now, I'm going to speak in English, okay? So first step before we start, okay? Income disclosure. Some people make a lot of money doing this company. Some people make a little bit of money doing this company. And it really just depends on your own personal effort. Past profit does not guarantee future results, okay? It's all about your own personal effort is how much you can earn. Now, we believe in the next 10 years, 50% of jobs will be replaced because of artificial intelligence. You see, technology in the world is changing so fast, and a lot of humans' jobs will be gone because of machines, right? Even in Japan, I heard that they have, when you go to a restaurant, they have some robots that's already serving the food. Is that right? So, really right now, it's the time to create multiple streams of income from your phone. And that's what this company is all about. So we have a platform, it's called B. It stands for Better Experience, and it's a technology company. We're actually open in 60 countries around the world. We have almost 300,000 active customers, and we are the first digital service-based company to be approved by the DSA, Direct Selling Association. So what that means is that we are legal, we are compliant, and we are here to be long-term. Now, the headquarters is in Dubai, and it's run by three brothers. These are incredible human beings. They have so much track record of success. But we also have offices around the world. We have office in Manila, in Philippines. We are currently open office in Singapore right now. And we have plans to open offices in Japan in the near future as we grow. So what is it that we do? We have two concepts. Number one is we teach people how to make money in trading. We give them the education and the tools to learn how to trade in the financial market. And travel, we're showing people how they can save money and make money in the travel industry now that the pandemic is finished. So let me ask you, how many of you guys have experience in trading? Can you put a number one in the chat if you guys have any experience doing trading? Let me see who has experience. Maybe you guys tried trading before. Maybe you lost money trading. Maybe you want to learn trading, okay? So, perfect. Now, here's what I can tell you guys about trading. See, trading is the act of buying and selling stocks, bonds, or currencies to make profits. It's one of the best ways of compounding your money. You see, the concept of trading is to grow your money. If you just leave your money in a bank account, it will barely grow to what, 2% maybe a year, right? But if you trade in the financial markets, you can grow your profit every day. So the biggest financial market in the world is called forex. It stands for foreign exchange. This is where you're trading one country's currency against another country's currency. So for example, you can trade Japanese yen for US dollar, or Australian dollar for Canadian dollar, or euros for Japanese yen, things like that. Now, if you trade the currencies at the right time, you can actually make money. You can make profit. So this market does over $6.6 trillion per day, and it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So it means you can trade in the foreign exchange market any time of the day. Also, tens of millions of people trade forex on a daily basis. As a matter of fact, if you put your money in a bank, the bank is also trading in the foreign exchange market. So if it's good for bank, why not for us, right? Now, the next market is digital currency market. This is cryptocurrency. So you guys heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the digital crypto coins. You can trade them and you can also make profit in cryptocurrency. The last market is the stock market, where we do something called index trading, where you're trading group of stocks at a time, like NASDAQ 100, US 30, and more, okay? So trading is really great. The concept is to grow your money. Let's say you have 1,000 Japanese yen. The goal is to grow it to 2,000, and then 3,000, and then 5,000. It's all about growing your money, making your money work hard for you. So we have digital trading platforms that will help you guys to speed up your learning curve and how to increase your profits daily. So the first digital product that we have is our education app. Now, this app has hundreds of courses that will teach you about trading. Now, I'm actually going to show you guys how this product works so you can see it in real time. So this is the first product, okay? Now, we have a lot of courses about cryptocurrency. We have courses about stocks. We have courses about foreign exchange. And these are hundreds of courses that will teach you guys how to do trading. What's also good is that in Japan, we have already translated into Japanese. So if you click here, you can click on that. We have a lot of our courses already in Japanese language. So that way, if you don't speak English or you have people who don't speak English, they can also get access to those learnings. Now, also, we have access to different educators. Now, these educators are hired by the company. These are people who have years of experience in trading. They have earned millions of dollars in trading, and they're here to provide training on how to trade. So for example, every day they do live seminar session. And if you go down, you can watch any of the recording if you miss the live session. And what they will do is they will do live training teaching you how to trade. So they will teach you how to scan the market, how to do your own analysis, and really how to learn the trading. Now, what's also great in Japan is, like I said, we have different language, but we also have some different educators in the Japan market. So as we continue, we will also have more Japanese speaking teachers. Now, that's the first product that we have. Now, the second product is my favorite. It's the copy paste trading application, okay? This is for beginners. This is for people who are new to trading, or this is for people who have a busy schedule and maybe they don't want to sit in front of their laptop every day and they just want to make money on the go. So how it works is you can download these apps into your phone. So we have an app for forex, we have app for binary options, we have an app for stocks, and we have app for cryptocurrency. So every day you will get notification in your phone telling you what currencies to trade, or what stocks to trade, or what cryptocurrency to trade. Every single day you will get notifications of trade ideas that's telling you what to trade. So for example, the professional traders in our company, they will send you a signal in your app, and all you need to do is just copy the trade. For example, it looks like this. Maybe it says Great British Pound for Japanese yen. You can copy this trade, copy the price points, and paste it into your other application and press buy or press sell. And then you can wait for it to make a profit. So I will give you guys my personal example. The first time I used this product, I was sitting in a restaurant. I was eating food. And in my phone, I got a signal telling me to trade some currencies. So I said, okay, I copy the prices and then I press buy and I put my phone down. It only takes me 30 seconds. After 5 minutes, I'm waiting. I check my phone. I see that I got 100 US dollars in profits. Now, for me, I was so excited because I never did trading before. And I'm not really technical. So if I can do it, I know everyone can do it. But the second reason why I was excited was because all I did was copy the professional. They are the ones who did the analysis. They are the ones who, looked at which is the good trade, and they sent it to our app. All I did was copy their trade and I was able to make money. Now, one thing I love about this is there's also a full transparency of the win rates. So for example, in our applications, we have over 80% win rate. So you can see who is the educator that's sending the signal. You can see what is their win rate for this month or for this year, right? For example, let's say this person, Gus, let's say he's the one who sent the trade signal and it says he has 80% win rate this month. Wow, I definitely want to copy him. If he's winning 80% of his trades, he's a good person to copy. This person in cryptocurrency, let's say, for example, he have 95% win rate for this month. He's a great person to copy his trades because he won 95% of the time. This person, 79%, right? So you can see the transparency of the win rates. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you guys example of what's possible in the Japan market over the next few months, okay? So in Facebook, we have a Facebook group, okay? So I am one of the first people in Canada and US to start in this company. So when I started our team here, we call our team Royal Family. That's our team name. When we started here, we only have 5 people in our Facebook chat. Now it grew to over 2,400 members in our Facebook group, just in our team. Every single day, we have customers that are posting their trading results. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the result in our team of people who are copy and pasting with our trading application. The first person here, Luella, she posted 19 hours ago. She says, last night I started to dive in the copy paste apps and I was excited with the results. I'm still learning and taking in the courses and advices from the educators. Let's go. So here, as you guys can see, she's trading euros for US dollars, US dollar for Japanese yen, euros for US dollar, gold for US dollar. Guys, in one day today, she got 216 US dollars in profit just today in trading, which is amazing, right? She's brand new. She never did trading before. We have another person here, Christine. She says, I had zero knowledge with trading, but after watching the courses, I made $200 US from only 20 US dollars. So she grew 20 US dollars into 200 US dollars in profit. That's amazing. That was 4 days ago. We have a lot more results that I can show you guys. We have Ronell. Ronell here, he's a new trader in our platform, only for 1 month. As you can see, he got a lot of trade signals that he's copying. And after 1 day of trading, he got 2,502 US dollar profit in 1 day. So how much is that in Japanese yen? Let me see, 2,500 US dollar to Japanese yen. So in 1 day of trading, he got 366,000 Japanese yen in 1 day of doing the copy paste trading. That's pretty amazing, guys. So let's continue. Now, we are also there's so many results in this group. You guys can join this group. It's you're gonna see so many results, right? I wanna show you guys one more example before we continue. Let me see this example. Oh yeah, okay, this guy. He said, Lance Gonzalez. So he said, I just started trading with my own money after 1 week, only 1 week in this platform. He says, I just deposited 300 US dollar and it grew 3x in just 2 days of copy pasting with our trusted trading apps. So he went from $300 to 900 US dollars in just 2 days. So in that's gonna be 300. So that's 43,000 Japanese yen he started with, and in 2 days he grew it to over 131,000 Japanese yen in 2 days. So we have so many results in this group every single day. We have one more, this guy, Mark Tavera. Guys, this guy, Mark Tavera, he's already a professional trader, but he loved the platform, he loved the education, and he had a very big week trading on gold. So gold for US dollar, in 1 week, he got 34,000 US dollar compound in his account. So this is a very big, this is a professional trader, but I'm just showing you guys 34,000 to JPY. That's over 4.9 million yen, Japanese yen, in 1 week on his trading balance trading account. So guys, we have so many results here, but I do want to say, okay, this is important, is that, you know, past profit doesn't guarantee future result. Everybody result will be different because it depends on how much is in their trading balance, okay? But that's how our products work. I'm showing you guys the possibility of what you can do and achieve with trading. Now, let's talk about the next product. The next product is our AI automated product. This is all about artificial intelligence. So imagine, instead of having to copy and paste the trade, what if I told you that artificial intelligence can manage and execute all your trades for you in the background? So that while you're with your family, while you're at your job, or while you're asleep, your AI automated tool can manage and execute all the trades for you in the background. So for example, you know, I have a customer here in Canada, and he owns a very successful cleaning company. And he's a father, he's a very busy guy, and he just got married. So he went to his honeymoon for his marriage, and 10 days while he was on his honeymoon, this AI tool was trading for him automatic. His account balance grew 28% in 10 days on automatic. So that's a stream of passive income, guys. That's passive income. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys just example how powerful this AI trading tool is. I'm going to show you guys compound. Yeah, okay. So let me show you guys something here. Now, in this tool right now, this tool is growing average around 15% per month in profits, okay? So let's say you start with a balance of what's this, Japanese yen? I don't know if this is yen, but let's just say let's just say US dollars. Let's say you start with 1,000 US dollars and you're trading for 1 year, okay? So after 1 year, if your account balance is growing 15%, your 1,000 US dollar will grow to 5,350 US dollar. This is just example, right? Because as the AI is automatically placing the trade for you, it's growing your money. But guys, if you leave your money in a bank, it will barely ever grow. You know, the bank is barely going to grow your money. That's why it's a great idea to do AI automated trading. This is the future. So now the next product is Quest. How many of you guys like to do traveling, right? I love to travel. So we have a travel platform called Quest where you can get access to a lot of discounts around the world. So we have up to 75% discounts in hotels, resorts, cruises, airport lounges, everything like that. So you can go to your website, you can shop online, and you can find the discounts. For example, I saw some 4-star hotel in Dubai. It's only $37, right? Or I saw some 5-star hotel. It's like only a few $100s. So you get a lot of discounts in our platform. Now, if you have friends who also wants to save money, you can refer them to your website. They can shop online for the discounts. And when your friends book travel from you, you also can earn 20% in commission. So you can make money as you refer friends to travel. Now, what is the cost to sign up in this platform, okay? So I'm gonna show it to you guys in US dollar prices, but you guys can talk to your friend who invited you here and they can translate it to Japanese yen, okay? So the highest bundle that we have is bundle 5. This is the best package. This is the bundle that I personally have. It's the elite bundle. So this one comes with all the travel benefits I talked about, all the education courses that's also translated in Japanese, and we have all the copy-paste trading apps, the forex, the crypto, the stocks, the binary options. This one is on sale right now for only 1,799 US dollars. And there's a monthly subscription to continue making money on the apps of $75 per month, which is very affordable. That's like the cost of my phone, right? Now, bundle 4, this is the Gold Prime bundle. So this one has no travel, but it comes with all the trading application. So we have the education courses, we have all the copy-paste trading apps, and it's on sale for 1,399 US dollars. And it's $75 per month to continue getting the signals for the apps. Now, bundle 3 is going to be all the education courses, but only two of the copy paste trading apps. You have the forex and you have the stocks, but you don't have cryptocurrency and you don't have binary options. So this bundle 3 is $899 US one time, and it's $99 per month. This is the gold bundle. So these are the top 3 most popular bundles. But if you guys are looking for a smaller bundle, maybe your budget is smaller, just talk to the friend who invite you here and they can show you a little bit about our smaller bundles. But guys, these are my most favorite. Bundle 3, bundle 4, bundle 5. This is the most valuable bundles that we have because you can make a lot of money in the trading products. Now, guys, this is really exciting. If you don't want to pay monthly subscription, you can refer 2 customers. If you refer 2 customers, your monthly subscription will be for free. So you don't need to pay $75 per month anymore, as long as you have 2 active customers that you maintain. So now let me talk about our optional affiliate marketing business. So we have an optional business where you can get paid to refer customers. Now, if you don't want to refer anybody, it's okay. You can just be customer. You can just use our trading products. But if you know people who also wants to learn trading, you can refer them and you can make some really good money, okay? So how it works is every time that you refer customers, you can earn up to 30% commission when a customer sign up and download our trading application. So for example, if you refer somebody who gets the highest bundle, you earn $300 US. If they get this bundle, you earn $240 US. If they get this bundle, you earn $165 US. So that's a lot of money for people signing up just as customer, right? So for example, when I first joined this company, I know lots of my friends, they wanted to learn forex, they want to learn trading, they want to learn stocks, but they don't know where to start. So I told them about this platform and they were so excited and they signed up with me. In my first 1 week, I was able to earn $3,000 US just part-time around my schedule. I referred some friends in my Instagram, on my Facebook, I texted some of my friends, and I was able to earn some great money. Now, also in the company, we have a compensation plan. So if you refer a lot of customers and you build a team of affiliates and they refer a lot of customers, you can also earn a monthly passive income in the company. For example, the first position in the company is $500 US per month. That's only few customers, maybe 4, 5, 6 customers, and you can earn $500 US per month in the company. The next position is $1,500 US per month. This is more customer, maybe 10 or 12 customer or more. And then there's $4,000 US, $8,000 US, $30,000 US, and it goes all the way to the highest position. Guys, right now in the network marketing industry and direct sales industry, we have the highest compensation plan in the world right now. 67 of the top income earners in direct sales in the world is coming from our company. So we're so excited to be a part of this platform. Now, one thing I can share you guys before we continue is I want to show you guys a result of somebody who's actually been doing this for only 5 weeks. Now, this young guy, he's only 24 years old. He's only 24 years old. He started in this platform 5 weeks ago. And I want to show you some of the result that he's able to create in his first 5 weeks. So if I go to his commission, I can see he's referring a lot of customers. He brought a lot of customers to the company, okay? But if you guys look at his total earnings, in the last 4 weeks, he was able to earn $13,000 US part-time around his schedule. And in the first week, he was able to earn $3,000 US part-time in his first week. So guys, in the first 5 weeks, at only 24 years old, he was able to earn, in Japanese yen, he was able to earn 2,342,000 Japanese yen in his first 5 weeks. And he's only 24 years old. So this guy, he's helping so many people. And I just want to do disclaimer, of course, past profit doesn't guarantee future result. Everybody's result will depend on how hard that you work. But this guy, only 24 years old, in 5 weeks, he achieved the rank of Emerald. So I want to introduce you to a young gentleman. His name is Mr. Jericho, and he's actually leading and pioneering the expansion to Asia in the Philippines market, Japan market, and Dubai market. So guys, let's put some number 1 in the chat for none other than Mr. Jericho Orlina.
Hey, what's up, guys? Good evening or good afternoon. Konnichiwa. I know a few words, guys. Anyways, I'm so excited to be launching in Japan. One main thing is because it's my dream travel, right? So it's one of the countries that I want to visit for sure, and so we're excited. So, guys, one of our plans is actually to fly there to help everyone out with whoever wants to get started with their trading, also with launching this business and this company in Japan also. So we're excited. We're planning on flying there. So I look forward to meeting some of you guys there before we fly to the Philippines. But just to kind of introduce myself, yes, I started 5 weeks ago. I'm from Edmonton. I'm here in Canada as well, but I'm from the Philippines. So if you guys are Filipinos, I still speak Tagalog, guys. So I was born and raised in the Philippines. But with what Coach Darren showed earlier with the results that I got, like honestly, I don't even know how I was able to get that result in my first month. Like I think all I would say is it's because of the system of the team, the system of Royal Family, their coaching, their support. Ever since I started, they were there for me. They were coaching me. They were guiding me. Like I didn't have any idea with trading, and so like honestly, before partnering up with B, like my main thing was I told Coach there, and I told him, bro, I don't know anything about trading. How am I gonna market this, bro? But the thing is, they have educators, they have trainers, so that's kind of their job, and we're learning from them. But just to kind of share my story with kind of how I got started with the industry. I'm just a normal guy. I used to work fast food. I used to work in McDonald's, Dairy Queen, and then my last job was in a warehouse. And I think working in a warehouse was kind of what opened my mind to start looking for new opportunities because in warehouse I started seeing people getting replaced by robots. And I think I'm not sure if you guys experienced that as well in Japan, but here there's a lot of people who's being replaced by technology already. And so like for me being I'm a high school graduate. I don't have any college course or university or whatever. I don't have a degree. And so what I was thinking is, what is my plan B if I get replaced by AI or by robots, right? And so all I knew even before then is I just have big dreams for myself, and I just didn't know how to get there. Like for me as a 19-year-old back then, I'm 24 now, all I knew is that I'm not sure if you guys could relate, but ever since at that young age, I knew that my dream life is, not having an alarm clock. I can wake up anytime. I don't have a boss. I can travel the world. I can live a purposeful life. Every day I wake up and I don't hate my job or whatever I'm doing, and I can live life to the fullest. And so, the thing is, I had that desire, but I just didn't know how to start, where to start, and how I could get there. But thankfully, 4.5 years ago, I got introduced to this industry by my sister, and from there, I didn't have the skills. I mean, I'm 19 years old. I was 19 years old at the time, so like any skills, I didn't have it, right? But I was just willing to learn. I had that belief that if you want something, like anything can be learned, right? And so from there, I started learning. I just did the trainings, and after 5 months, I was able to quit my job. And ever since, for the past 4 years, I haven't had a job ever since. I've been focusing in the industry and marketing. I now have other businesses, but with B, with whatever you guys heard today, it's the same information that I got 5 weeks ago. And the way I started, I told Coach Darren, bro, before I start sharing this to my friends, I want to try the apps first. And so what I did on my first night is I downloaded the apps, I tried it, I have zero experience with trading. I don't understand like the charts and all those stuff. Like I didn't have any experience. So all I did was I copy and pasted. I trusted it. I had doubts if it was gonna work, if I'm gonna be honest. But after doing the copy and paste, I went to bed, and then the following day I saw $300 in my practice account. And so from there, that's kind of when I got excited because I'm like, if I was able to make $300 and I don't have any experience trading, how many people do I know wouldn't mind having an extra 50, $100, $200 a day, right? And they just don't know how to start. And so from there, that's when I started thinking of who do I know who um who wouldn't mind having that extra income, especially from trading or from the marketing side. And I do have some friends who's open to having a side hustle. And so I shared the opportunity to them, and for the past 5 weeks, it's my sixth week now. It's been great. A lot of my friends are benefiting. Even Elijah, I met him through social media. That's how I met him. But he started as a trader. I don't know if he could share how he started, but that's how he started, as just kind of with the trading. He made some profits, and like for me, seeing people making money with the apps, with the guidance of the apps, it makes me happy knowing that I can help other people, right? And even with the marketing side, also I have one of my good friends. He made like $10,000 his first month, and that's like something that he wouldn't make in a month if he just relied on his single job, right? And I think some of my team members are here as well. So if you guys could also share, maybe some testimonies of how much you guys made on your first month, then feel free. If you guys are comfortable, you guys could share how much you guys made on your first month here in B also. But yeah, so I have a team. I'm training them with the marketing also, and they're making good money, and so that's what I'm excited about. And so what I could so here we have Morris here. He made 1,900 on his first month, right? And so that's my story. And for everyone here, if you guys are looking for another opportunity, if you guys could relate to my story somehow, or maybe you're just looking for another stream of income, then all I know from my experience that I'm sharing to you is that when I started here, they supported me along the way. I got the support. I didn't know anything about trading, about marketing B, but they supported me. The system is there, the trainings are there, and that's how I got the results that I didn't think I could get. So that's it for me, guys. And one last thing that I want to share is that, if you're someone like me 4 years ago, who you're also looking for change in your life, then you're always one decision away from changing your life, but you have to make that decision. So that's it for me. I want to pass it back on to Coach Darren. Thank you so much, guys.
Wow, thank you, bro. I appreciate you, man. So, guys, there's two more people that I want you guys to hear from, Michaela and Elijah. But, guys, I want you to hear from Elijah first because Elijah started, and as soon as he got involved, he was the first ever sapphire in all of Japan market, and he's the first. He's the first one, but there will be so many more coming soon. So, Elijah, brother, if you can share your testimony and your experience and the result that you got so far, you can speak English, Japan, Filipino, whatever you want. But I will pass it to you, Elijah. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, sure. Good, konnichiwa, minasan konnichiwa. Di, at Tagalog na lang. So, ano no, ako yung first na na-introduce sa akin nito, when this was first introduced to me by my brother Jericho, Mr. Jericho. So I saw his post on Instagram. I think most of you guys also who are here saw some results in social media, or you were brought here because guys, because of this opportunity we want to share with you. So when this was introduced to me, I knew what trading, the potential of trading is, but I did not know where to start. I don't know how to get started, or because I always have this thought that it's gonna be really complicated and a long journey to start, and I could really be losing so much without proper knowledge and without proper guidance. So I give it a try. When I started, I had no prior experience trading before. I had also only invested in crypto before, but no, not like buy and sell. It's just long-term investment. So when I did forex, I did stocks. It was completely new. And when I tried it on my first 2 weeks, I tried to just get familiar with everything. And as I learned, I was just copying what the professional traders are doing on the app. And as I learned, I started profiting. And I was really surprised because I was not really expecting that it would be that fast, because I knew from my other friends that trading is not trading is not so easy, and it might take some months, it might take some years to actually start executing proper trades, because there's a big there's so much to learn in trading. But I'm so blessed to be in this platform because we get to accelerate your learning process. So simply, just to put it in a simple way, I simply copy the traders, professional traders in our app, and now I'm earning like a pro trader without having so much knowledge, and that's in the trading part. So when I started profiting, I simply just started posting my result just to show everybody what is the potential of what I'm doing right now. So, just posted, tried it, just shared it online, and some people approached me, and they immediately wanted to try it as well. So I I didn't even have to convince. To be honest, I don't want to convince people. Try this, try that. It's not my thing. But I simply shared it to them, let them decide, and they wanted to try it as well. So with that, just by sharing with my friends and helping them, sharing what worked really well for me and for others, simply there's a system that you just follow and you get to profit. So you get to profit by the system that is already there. And so there's guidance, there's system, there's community, there are apps that will really guide you step by step. So that's what happened. And in my first month, actually, only started sharing it in my first 2 weeks after trying out. So now in my first month, I get, I think I can't do the math. I just shared it on the chat box. That's 2,400, 500 plus 500 this week. So that's around $3,000. That's more than what I've earned in my past jobs before. And just by sharing, that's only on the affiliate part. And with my trading profits, that's another story. Yesterday I started my 50K funding account of $50,000 funded account, and in my first day I profited $1,600 on my first day. So you see, I'm just sharing what is working for me. So you guys, if you are serious about starting this is a serious thing. This is a serious business. This is serious potential. So be serious with your decision as well, because this is a life-changing experience for me, and I hope you find that that value as well in your life. So I hope that wasn't so long. You can continue, Mr. Theron.
Congratulations. Excited for you. Yeah,
Thank
guys.
you.
So Elijah is one of the pioneer of Japan market, and it's going to be exploding very soon. So guys, last but not least, just maybe quick 30 seconds, 60 second. I know I'm putting you on the spot, Michaela, but just for you, just if you want to share everybody, like what's your one favorite thing about this platform so far? I know that you're brand new, but guys, let's welcome Michaela to the call.
Oh my god, I was so shocked that you called my name. So, first, okay, Elijah, Jericho, and Theron were very good in English, right? So, good news and congratulations, guys. You don't have to be good in English here to win. Okay, so magtatagalog ako next. Okay, mas comfortable tayo dyan for sure, especially sa mga nasa Japan. So, ako naman, yung pinaka story ko is actually si Elijah yung nag-pursue, okay, and then nag-chat talaga sa akin ng sobrang sipag din. And nung una, syempre, katulad siguro nating lahat, hindi rin parang ayaw ganyan, parang syempre skeptical tayo. Pero ayun, hanggang sa pinanood ko yung video, so tas ang sabi ko, sige, try ko lang. And then nung kausap ko na si Jericho, so biglang nag-signal. So, biglaan lang out of nowhere nag-signal. Sabi niya, uy, may signal, tara, try natin. So, nag-try ako. Meron lang akong parang $200 lang sa account. Tapos, nag-signal, nag-trade kami together. Tapos, after that, copy-paste. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, tapos agad. Tapos, sinundo ko na yung anak ko sa school, nagluto ako ng dinner, tapos nag-shower, basta personal stuffs and all. Pag-uwi ko ng bahay, bago matulog, pag-check ko ng account ko, guys, merong $100 yung account. So sabi ko, shucks, totoo siya. Tumawag ako sa nanay ko, Ma, meron akong bagong ginagawa ngayon. Nagte-trade na ako. Sabi ng nanay ko, ano yan? Shinare ko lang what I experienced. Sabi niya, okay, turo mo sa akin yan. So, doon nag-start yung journey ko. So, syempre ako din personally, halos marami rin kasi nakakakilala. So, ayoko din talaga nag-share ng mga bagay na hindi ako sigurado. And that's why I experienced. So, shinare ko lang sa iba and look what got me. And ilang days pa lang, and actually, maliit pa yung income compared to Elijah, Jericho, and Peron, pero meron na. Nakakuha ko ng 150 sa trading, and then naka 100 na rin ako sa affiliate.
Nice.
Like doing this business for few days lang.
Wow. Guys, let's put a number 1 in the chat. Great job, Michaela. You're doing an awesome job. And for those of you guys that didn't understand Tagalog, basically she's making good money in only her first week versus 2 weeks. So congratulations, Michaela. So thank you for sharing. So guys, we're gonna finish this presentation, okay? Here's what I can tell you. I'm gonna finish this presentation in next 2 minutes. So listen, Japan market, okay? Japan is the hub spot for Asia expansion. We have a plan in Japan over the next few months, over the next 10 months, to bring in 10,000 new customer in the Japan market. I can guarantee you that people will use our trading application. Everybody wants to learn trading. Everybody wants to learn forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, okay? You see, there's a lot of other companies out there where they're selling maybe vitamin or health and wellness or beauty cosmetic. It's a big industry. But for the first time ever, customer can make money using the trading product, and business people can make money by referring customer. It's a win-win situation. They can make money trading, they can make money referring. My question to you is this: where do you want to be in this expansion? Do you want to be one of the pioneer in the very beginning as the first, or do you want to be late 1 year from now and miss out on the big expansion? Because here's what I know: if you share this to your friend, you will benefit. If somebody else share this to your friend, somebody else will benefit. We are planning to do a tour in Japan. You know, Osaka, Tokyo, Kanazawa, everywhere, all over Japan. We are planning to do tour. If you guys are one of the pioneers, you will benefit. Imagine if you have a chance to get paid every time someone download our application. Imagine if you can use our application and get signal every day, what to trade, when to trade, and you can grow your income. You see, in Canada, when we started this in Canada, nobody knows about it. Now we have thousands of people doing this in Canada. You know, in Philippines, we started Philippines only 2 months ago. Now in the Philippines, we have celebrities, we have influencers, we have actors, we have stars, and a lot of people doing this in the Philippines. In Dubai, we just started Dubai recently, and it's growing so fast. I can tell you right now, the top income earner in Asia will be in Japan, but they haven't even seen a presentation yet. They don't even know we exist yet. So you guys on this call are the first pioneers. If you get signed up, if you get started today, you guys will be one of the pioneers of this entire expansion, and you will benefit long term. Here's what I recommend. If you like what you see, contact the person who invited you here today to get started. Maybe it's who invited you, maybe it's Elijah, maybe it's Michaela, maybe it's somebody here who invited you. Talk to them after this call and let them know if you want to get started. And they will show you how to become customer. They will show you how to become business partner. But here's one thing I can say. I am so excited to fly to Japan. I am so excited to do big convention, over 1,000 people in Japan. And I'm so excited to help you guys achieve a very big result. So guys, there's 2 types of people in life. Number 1 is person who take action when they see opportunity. And number 2 is the person who miss out on big opportunity and they let it slip through their finger. So my question is, which one are you? So thank you so much for having me. It's an honor to speak to the Japanese team, and I will look forward to talking to you in all of our group chat very soon. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Three.